हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू विंसम डिजिटल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ विंसम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। आज हम एसओएफ की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसमें हम चैप्टर स्पोकन एंड रिटन एक्सप्रेशन क्लास 1 एंड 2 का कवर करेंगे, जिसमें सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस हैं। वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन एंड हाउ टू क्रैक दीज क्वेश्चंस. For question 1 to 20, choose the correct option to complete the conversation. See, there is conversation between two people or one person. We'll see which answer fits the best. कौन सा आंसर इसमें fit करेगा? Good evening. What can I get you? Waiter, there is a waiter. He is asking, good evening. What can I get for you? Neha. Some juice, please. I enjoy going out. उसको क्या मतलब I enjoy going out? What would you like? ये क्यों question पूछेगी? I cannot tell. No. Some juice please. ये गई एक होटल में, वेटर इससे पूछ रहा है what type of good evening, what can I get for you. वेटर आपसे अगर पूछेगा, अगर आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो और वेटर पूछता है what can I get for you, you will not say I enjoy going out, what would you like. You will not ask the question. Cannot tell. No, it is bad manners. So you will say some juice please. So option A is the correct answer. Ravi, Nina is ill in bed. She is bored. Maya, she should sleep. वो ऐसे ही bored है. Why should she sleep? Let's have a picnic. No. Let's take some books for her. Don't bother. It's not a good manner. So let's take some book for her. Ravi बोल रहा है Nina is ill in bed. वो बीमार है, वो बेड पे है. She is bored. So Maya, what was she supposed to say in this conversation? Let's take some book for her. She'll read those books and she'll feel better. We should sleep. No. Let's have picnic. She can't have picnic because she is ill. Don't bother. ऐसा नहीं होता. Friends को bother करना पड़ता है. So this is the best option which will fit here. Roy, my mother is a teacher. Mother can teach well. She teaches maths to class 2. Teaching can be fun. I like my teachers. Which one will be fitted here? Mother can teach well. Mothers can teach well. Doesn't matter. यहाँ fit नहीं हो रहा है. Teaching can be fun. I like my teachers. No. She teaches maths to class 2. My mother is a teacher. She teaches to class 2. So option B is the correct answer. Option B will fit here. Fourth, Rahul, I'm sorry. I will not be able to attend sports day. It's okay, take rest. वो बोल रहा है कि मैं I will not, I'm sorry to his teacher. He's saying I'm sorry, I won't be able to attend the sports day. अब क्या reason देगा? I have hurt my right foot. I am not good at sport. Everyone should do sports. Why would you do that? No. I have hurt my right foot. He will give the reason to the teacher that, ma'am, I'm sorry, I will not attend the sports day because I have hurt my right foot. So option A is the correct answer. It will fit here. Carol, Jim plays tennis after school every day. So he watches TV, then he does his homework and he has his dinner. He gets up early. No. Then he does his homework will fit here. Carol is telling Jim plays tennis after school. वो स्कूल के बाद टेनिस खेलता है रोज. Then he does his homework. तो ये वाला ऑप्शन इसमें फिट होगा because so he watches TV is wrong and he has his dinner after school. You can't have your dinner. You will have obviously your lunch. He gets up early. Will not fit here. Then he does his homework. Option B is the correct option. Jatin, hello, my name is Jatin. What's your name? What Mala will say? I am Mala. I like your name. It's a short name. Can you guess? No. I am Maya. आपको कोई अपना introduction देता है तो आप भी उसको अपना introduction देते हो. So option A will fit here. I am Maya. Rani, may I borrow this book? Teacher. Yes, it's a story book. Yes, it's a new book. Yes, you may. I don't know. Yes, you may. Teacher ये नहीं बताएगी ये story book है, ये new book है. It doesn't matter. She will just answer yes, you may. हाँ, ले सकते हो. Meenu, it's my birthday today. Have a chocolate. Piku, happy birthday. Then what will Meenu will say? I like biscuits, Meenu. Thank you, Meenu. Chocolates are sticky, Meenu. You are welcome. Thank you, Meenu. Meenu, it's my birthday today. Have a chocolate. मेरा आज birthday, आप chocolate खा के जाओ. Piku, happy birthday. And what will Piku will say? thank you Meenu. He'll say Piku will say thank you because he had the chocolate. I like biscuit Meenu. ये नहीं कहेगा. Chocolates are sticky. This is also wrong. You are welcome. Thank you Meenu. He'll say thank you for the chocolate. Rohit, the children are playing in the ground. The games teacher is blowing the whistle. The headmaster is Mrs. Kumar. Mr. Kumar इससे क्या मतलब है? The English teacher is writing on the board. When are the summer vacation? The games teacher is blowing the whistle. The children are playing in the ground. Obviously, the games teacher will blow the whistle when they are playing the game. So option A is the correct answer. Sumit, Mrs. Bedi is a police officer. Okay. I really admire her. He works in school. They wear sari. No. She wears khaki uniform. Do you know her? She wears khaki uniform. Obviously, if she is a police officer, she will wear a khaki uniform. I really admire her. मैं उसको admire करता हूँ. He works in a Mrs. Bedi के साथ he नहीं लगेगा, they नहीं लगेगा. Do you know her भी नहीं लगेगा. She wears a khaki uniform. If you are a police officer, you will wear a khaki uniform. So option C is the correct answer. Amanda, do you want to play tennis? Rohan, yes, I have to play. That's a good idea. Not possible for I. This is wrong. Do you want? No. Yes, I have to play. No. That's a good idea. Do you want to play tennis? Then the Rohan will say, yeah, that's a good idea. So option B is the correct answer. Mom, have you washed the dishes? Rohan, yes, I have. Yes, I will. Yes, I do. Yes, I haven't. Yes, I have. हाँ मैंने धो दिए हैं. You will say yes, I have. If your mama is asking you, have you washed your sandals? What you will say? Yes, I have. Dad, are you going to the market? Bob, yes, I am not sure. Yes, भी बोल रहा है and I'm not sure. Yes, do you want something? Yes, I do. Why are you asking? You will not ask your father like this. Why are you asking? Option B is the correct answer. Yes. Do you want something? I am going to the market. He is going to the market. Yes. Do you want something? आप हमेशा अपनी मम्मा पापा से पूछ के जाते हो. आपको कुछ चाहिए तो नहीं मार्केट से. So option B is the correct answer. Tony, what time it is? Laya, it is 2:30. Next time I will play with Maya. I have appointment at 3:30. Check it in the clock. It is 2:30. आप सीधे उसको टाइम बताओगे. वो आपसे टाइम पूछ रहा है. What time it is? You'll say it is 2:30. Sheila. Hello Mala, where are you going? Hello Mala, where are you going? Not today. It's raining. Home, I have lots of homework. I have a test tomorrow. I have no plans. Home, I have lots of homework. Option B will fit here, beta, because you have to tell where are you going. As hello Mala, where are you going? Mala might be going somewhere. So option B is the correct answer. Home, I have lots of homework. मैं घर जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारा काम है. Not today, it's raining. Obviously वो जा रही है तो ये आंसर नहीं फिट हो रहा. I have a test tomorrow. I have no plans. No. Home, मैं home घर जा रही हूँ because I have lots of homework. Rashid, do you remember the poem Azad? There are many poems in the book. They like the poem. Yes, I do. I can remember. Yes, I do. Do you remember the poem? अगर मैं पूछ रही हूँ क्या तुम्हें poem याद है? आप सीधे आंसर करो. Yes, मुझे याद है. Yes, I do. Option C is the correct answer which will fit here. Manu, did you enjoy the circus? Mitra, where did you go? No, we are going to the park today. I enjoyed the movie. We had a great fun. Thanks. We had a great time. Thanks. आपसे पूछा जा रहा है did you enjoy the circus? तो आप ये क्यों बोलोगे where did you go? We are going to park today. You will just say we had a great time. Thanks. हमने बहुत मजा किया. We had a great time. Thanks. Option B is the correct answer. Sharda, let's tidy up the place before we leave. Let's tidy up the place before we leave. Lovey. Yes, let's go. They are playing cricket outside. Yes, Sharda, we should be leaving now. Yes, let's put away the toys. Yes, you can. Yes, let's put away the toys. शारदा बोल रही है let's tidy up the place before we leave. दोनों friends खेल रहे होंगे और उनने कमरा थोड़ा untidy कर दिया है. So she's saying let's टाइडी द प्लेस, हमें इस प्लेस को साफ करना चाहिए, तो आपका फ्रेंड क्या आंसर करेगा? यस, लेट्स पुट अवे द टॉयज। हाँ, हमें टॉयज को हटा के रख देना चाहिए। यस, दे आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट। Yes, let's go. They are playing the cricket. It's wrong. Yes, Sharda, we should be leaving now. No. Yes, you can. वो उससे क्यों कहेगा? Because both were playing. Option B is the correct answer. Yes, let's put away the toys. You have to think and then answer, because the best answer will be fitted here. Question 19. Meena, do you draw? Tina, yes, with crayons. Yes, it's funny. Yes, that's a pretty picture. No, with colors. Yes, with crayons. Do you draw? Yes. अब आंसर दोगे yes या no? Yes, with crayons. Gardener, be careful, there are insects in the grass. Be careful, there are insects in the grass. Students, how dare you? No, it's bad manners. I like flowers, don't bother. Thanks, I'll watch out. Thanks बताने के लिए. Be careful, there are insects in the grass. Gardener बोल रहा है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? Thanks, I'll watch out. Thanks, मैं अब देख के खेलूंगा. Now 21 to 25, choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Again, we have to complete the conversation. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? I lived in London for a year. I have been living in London. I am from London. Wish I can tell you that. No, I am from London. Simple question पूछ रहा, where are you from? So Rebecca will say, I am from London. मैं लंदन से हूँ. So option C is the correct answer. Mike, have you ever been to the post office? क्या आप कभी post office गए हो? Yes, I haven't. Yes, me too. No, I have. Yes, I have. हाँ, मैं गया हूँ. क्या आप कभी post office गए हो? हाँ, मैं गया हूँ. Waiter, what would you like to order? Roger, a chicken sandwich, please. Yes, I will. Yes, I do want to order. Don't tell me. A chicken sandwich, please. You love, if waiter is asking you what do you want to order, you will tell what you want to order. A chicken sandwich, please. This is the correct option. Dad, why are you late? तुम क्यों late आए? There was no traffic. No traffic था तो time पे क्यों नहीं आए? The train was delayed. Yes, I am late. I like being late. The train was delayed. आपको अगर कोई पूछ रहा है why are you late, तो आप सही आंसर दोगे कि आप क्यों लेट हुए थे. तो this might be the reason. The train was late. That is why I am late. I like being late. Yes, I am late. There was no traffic. There was no traffic. These all are wrong answers. Option B is the correct answer. The train was delayed. That is why I'm late. Did you like the film? Win. Yes, I did. It was lovely. This was my first English movie. The ticket cost too much. My mother likes movie. No. Yes, I did. It was lovely. Did you like the film? आपसे पूछा जा रहा है आपको फिल्म पसंद आई, तो आप बताओगे ना yes or no? Yes, I did. It was lovely. इससे कोई मतलब नहीं. This was my first English film. First English movie. The ticket was too much. My mother likes the movie. Doesn't matter. Yes, I did. It was lovely. Option A is the correct answer. Now, SOF IEO 2023 questions. Question 1 to 10. Choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. Again, we have to complete the conversation. Can we go to the park? Mother. Dash, why not? Mother, Riya बोल रही है, can we go to the park? Mother क्या बोलेगी? When? Why not? No, why not? Thanks. Sure, why not? मम्मी क्या बोलेंगी? Sure, why not? Sure, we can go, why not? So option C is the correct answer. Second, Neha, what's on your mind? क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे दिमाग में? Nothing, I am just dash about something. Sleeping about something, looking about something, minding. Thinking about something. तुम्हारे माइंड में क्या चल रहा है? Obviously, माइंड से आप क्या करोगे? Sleeping, looking, minding or thinking? Nothing, I am just thinking about something. मैं कुछ चीज के बारे में सोच रही हूँ. Where is the bank? Sham, it is dash the bookshop. At the bookshop, on the bookshop, beside, next to the bookshop. Next होगा. Okay? So option C is the correct answer. Next to the bookshop. Where is the bank? It is next to the bookshop. Jatin, may I open the window? Kashi, yes, sorry, no, rarely. Why can't? Certainly. May I open the door? Certainly. Option D is the correct answer. Suman, my father dash a track of dash single penny he spends. My father dash a track of dash single penny he spends. Keep each, यहाँ keep आएगा, keeps a track of each single penny? No. Kept all single penny? No. Keeps. My father keeps a track of every single penny he spends. Option C the correct answer because he keeps a track. वो track रखते हैं किस चीज का कि मैं पर डे एवरी सिंगल पेनी एवरी डे व्हाट सिंगल जितने भी पैसे वो खर्चा करते हैं वो उसका ट्रैक रखते हैं. सो कीप्स एंड एवरी, ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. माय फादर कीप्स अ ट्रैक ऑफ एवरी सिंगल, सारे एवरी सिंगल पेनी ही स्पेंड्स. ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. कस्टमर, हाउ मच इज इट कॉस्ट? शॉपकीपर, इट्स 250. How much do it cost? Done is cost. Does it cost? आप हमेशा शॉप पे जाते हो. How much does it cost? ये कितने का है? So option C is the correct answer. How much does it cost? Do it cost? Done is cost? Doing. How much does it cost? Teacher, why haven't you completed the test? Soon, no, always, never, yet. Why haven't you completed the test yet? अभी तक तुमने टेस्ट क्यों नहीं कंप्लीट किया? So option B is the correct answer. Why haven't you completed the test yet? Seema, dash of these is yours. That one. तो ये पूछ रही है dash of these is yours. What of these is yours? Why of these yours? Whose or which of these is yours? इसमें से कौन सा तुम्हारा है? Which will fit here? Which of these is yours? तो जया बोल रही है that one. वो बहुत सारे क्लोथ्स लाई होगी या टॉयज लाई होगी तो वो which क्वेश्चन पूछेगी. यहाँ पे which आएगा क्वेश्चन में. Which of these is yours? इनमें से कौन सा तुम्हारा है? So option D is the correct answer. Which of these is yours? Jaya will say that one. What did you do last night? तुमने last night क्या किया था? Pia, I dash TV, look TV, saw TV, watch TV, seen TV. I watched TV. मैंने क्या किया? I watched TV. आप TV को watch करते हो. So I watched TV. Last night है तो ये past tense है, ed form लग जाएगा. You will add watch में ed and it will become watched TV. Question 10, Jaya. Pay attention. You dash listen to what the instructor is saying. You can listen to the instructor is saying. You might, you shall. You must. आपको सुनना ही सुनना है. You must listen to what the instructor is saying. Jaya is saying pay attention. ध्यान दो, ध्यान से सुनो इंस्ट्रक्टर आपको क्या कह रहा है. Okay, so we have finished with this chapter, spoken and written expression. Now we will meet up with the next topic. Till then, keep learning, keep preparing for your SOF Olympiad. Stay tuned with Winsome Digital Learning Platform of Winsome International School. Bye, students.